9:30 a.m. Sunday morning. We were supposed to leave for the car show about an hour and a half ago. Beach is at his house. His old lady won't let him leave. I'm at AutoZone. Just picked up a set of points. They didn't have a condenser. I think we fried the electric ignition. Gonna try to put them things in there and see if it won't run off of that. I think the Pertronics is fried. It's gonna be an eventful day. Don't look like we're gonna make the car show, but hopefully we can drive this son of a bitch somewhere.
Sorry we didn't catch the startup, but got the electrical gremlins worked out. Got an axle still leaking. Half a clutch. No brakes. No windshield wipers. And it's gonna rain.
Well, we do got our first sticker.
And we're gonna christen the car now.
Right here ought to add enough horsepower to get us there.
Alright. We'll see you guys at Silver Dollar Dragway. Yeah, I think the best part of this whole entire project is 112 and a 30-gallon oil can. Or about a 1,000-watt Baja amp. Can't really see it. I'm giving all the junk. But, you know, can't be on the road with a pile of crap with at least having it sound good. So, we've been on, what, 5 miles? Yeah. 5 miles. And we're at the parts store. This should be an interesting trip. Okay, so we made it to Alamo, Georgia. And we discovered we had a valve cover leak again.
Popping the fluid off.
Transaxle's now leaking on 3 different sides.
About 30 minutes into a 2.5 hour ride.
It's taken us 2 hours so far. Ready to roll? Gotta get down below the 10 strip. Another hour to go. If we make it. If we make it.
Well, we made it here finally. I think we got the raggediest thing in the parking lot, but it's here. Told you we'd drive this son of a bitch. I don't know. Here we are at Silver Dollar. Gonna see what these boys' bugs can do.
So, we're on the way home from the car show, and we have some gremlins. The car keeps shutting off, and my co-pilot here, Funkmaster D's nuts, keeps fucking stalling out in traffic. I'm gonna die. Here we are on the side of the road. The master electrician over here failed to ground a wire. Or no, he grounded it. It's just a half-ass ground. So, yeah.
This car's a piece of shit.
Live by this. Nothing like a little roadside maintenance. Putting in points in a condenser, swapping out the electronic ignition. What's your thoughts about this 30 degrees, wind blowing weather, me without a jacket? You smile like a jackass eating briars.
Glad I brought my Carhartt.
Yeah. Stay tuned if we don't die. Leave home with a handy dandy toolkit. Okay, we're back on the way home. It is now
Midnight.
12:30. And smelled burning oil. Car was running like shit. Stalled. The brakes jammed because the pin under the gas pedal slid out. Jammed the brakes. And
Our nuts have backed off.
our valve train is completely loose.
It's unattached.
So what we're gonna do
So
is,
running like shit means it was running on 2 cylinders.
yeah,
A
so
4-cylinder.
what we're gonna do is
We're
adjust
gonna-
the valves on the side of the road.
I'll readjust these valves on the side of the road.
What do you think about that there, Bojangles?
Think we need a better mechanic? Looks like another death trap.
Especially with that brake pedal locking up on us.
Yeah, the accelerator pedal, the accelerator pin holding the gas pedal backed out, locked the throttle about halfway wide open, and then kept us from pushing the brakes to the floor because you need to push the brakes to the floor when the brakes suck ass.
At a four-way stop.
Had a 4-way stop.
On a
we pulled
4-lane
the
highway.
E-brake, and it didn't work either. So we just kind of coasted through, and then the car shut off, and we pulled over, checked the oil leak, and found a valve train.
Roadkill don't have shit on us.
Don't think. Headed home. Well, it's 4:15 in the morning, Monday morning. Got back to the house, but we had to borrow a truck. Took my brother's truck, the car somewhere on the side of the road, probably about 30 minutes out of after the car show, about 2 hours from the house still. So, gonna go to work, gonna go to sleep for a couple hours, call work, call in, go back to sleep a couple hours, and we're gonna go pick up that car.